Hey, Kay-Dee-Boo. Hey, girl. How be you? I was just laying here thinking about it. It snowed last night. It's kind of overcast and, white, cloudy sky. So what do you just do ASMR videos once a week now? It's losing its luster. Are you depressed? That's a bum. That's a bum deal. That's a bum. That's a bum deal. Lucille. Today would be a good day to cuddle and drink a cocoa. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Do. How's Cindy Bear doing? Doesn't know which way to look. Look left. Look right. Look left. Look right. My parents just became members to like this lake. It's like a private lake, so that's another thing we can do is go camping on the beach. Because it's got like a sandy beach part and you can start fires. And guests aren't supposed to bring dogs, but how would they know? Well, I guess they could check. They probably have an ID with your picture or whatever. Did I post that video where I talked about my mom's Frenchies and how they would just be all over Cindy Bear? Hey, new friend, hey. And Cindy Bear's like, I don't get down like that. Hey, we'll go up to the cabin. It's got a little stream running down the back. It's made out of like logs, it looks like a real cabin. And then we'll go to the condo, which is on a ski resort, so we'll go skiing. And then you just can hang out at my house. Think about the future. A little pony. I wonder if they have miniature zebras. Have it flown in from like Africa or some shit. Like I said, we'll have to get two though so they can be buddies. We'll probably have to get a cat too. Little kitten. Meow. Meow. Not another dog though, because that way Cindy won't be jealous. But yeah, for sure. Just another couple weeks Well, probably about a month. Cause well, no, I gotta build up the time. If I don't get the job, I'll just leave a comment and I'll be like, hey, it's your husband. Job fell through. I'll just fly up to Chicago here. It's like a 4-hour drive from St. Louis to Chicago. That's a long drive for a booty call. So romantic. Our first date. You can show me around Chicago. We'll walk, down to some coffee shop or something. A fancy restaurant, and it'll be so goddamn magical. Sitting across from you at a table for two. Just thinking about the future. Holding you in my arms. Like I said, face dick rubbings, cum shot. And then we'll just cuddle, and then in the morning, I'll stick my dick up in you. And we'll make like sweet, I mean, it'll be a little, I won't just be like, there won't be like saxophone music in the background or anything. I'll kind of crank up the intensity a little bit. As well as you too, you know what I mean? I'm just sort of straddling me, just sort of gently rocking back and forth. And then go ahead and, start bouncing. Bouncing on my dick. Bouncing on my dick. A little bit of both, Get my nuts slapping up against your ass. I'd like to teabag you as well. So just get on your knees and lean back. I'll take care of the rest. I hope you're looking forward to it as much as I am. Very soon, baby girl, very soon, we will be together. And then, like I said, with you in my life, we're untouchable. Oh, $30 for a gallon of milk? Oh, better rub one out, baby girl, baby girl. Let's go with the pink panties for this particular video. Yes. Satin pink panties. Or, different kinds of materials. Look at this smooth groove. All different colors. Classic black, of course. And white. And, different materials and whatnot, But then, at that point, the whole, you won't have to save for retirement anymore. You will have nothing, and you will be up there. Everything will be free, because it's made by robots. Everybody will be the best versions of themselves. They'll be writing poetry and pursuing their hobbies, setting shit on fire. They will do what people do. But that won't make, that won't concern us. Will it, baby girl, baby girl? Sexy zebra mama. Should we get a pair of panties for you to wear that are like zebra striped? That'd be kind of cheesy, huh? But why not, Not the American flag, though, because that's, you know what I mean? That's like disrespectful in my opinion. I mean, it's one thing if you want to, you know what I mean? But if I was going to panty smooth groove you wearing an American flag, panties, it's like, it just seems wrong to me. Blow my load on it, We'll get like some Budweiser, panties for you. Just because, like the ring girls, back in the day. I can crack, I'll crack open a can, right? And I'll take like 3, chugs or 4. And then you can turn around to the camera and hold the can and take a little swig. And then put the can down. And you'll just take 1 swig. And you turn around and put the can down, and then it'll be like, my view. Oh shit, I forgot we can't fucking do that. Well, we could if you're too old to have kids. Because at that point I'll be like, fuck it. Who cares? The world can see my face. That'll bring a lot more money into, and, whew, trust you me, sweet Kay-Dee, the world would definitely be jacking off to me rubbing my dick on your face, or just your face or whatever. But anyway, you'd be like, I'm so drunk. I'd be like, that's cute. What do you weigh, like 75 pounds? Shit. You're such a dork. Like that video, with the dunce, where you're leaning up against the wall and you're like, what brought this about, you dumb shitbag? Stupid girl, you. And she's like, well, I just felt like it. What makes you think that poser is a journalist anyway? Who told you that she was? Well, she did. Oh my fucking God, she's such a fucking dumb bitch. She's just a stupid TikTok bitch who fucking spews her opinions and shit. And losers listen to her. She ain't shit. She's not a journalist. Just because she journals in her notebook and shares it with her audience doesn't make her a journalist. And she doesn't, just sort of like, And you got your spandex pants, and they're all pulled up pretty high. Your short little torso, You look like a dork. You do. It's cute. So, did you ever notice that about yourself? Seriously, don't bring your friend back. She hates yoga now. Shit. That vagina gobbled up even that material. Woo. Woo. That guy's gay, isn't he? the yoga instructor, the black guy. Why does it matter that he's black? It doesn't. I'm just stating to the world that he is a black guy. He's one of the brothers. He's a brother man. So is it true? Do black people eat nothing but fried chicken, watermelon, and grape soda? I had a black friend when I was a kid, so I have creds. I can talk about anything black, and up to and including hood culture. So, and hood culture is black. Barrio. Well, what's the barrio? Is that like, hey, the biggest fucking Mexican I've ever seen in my life? Antonio. Desperado. What's in the guitar case? A guitar. That was funny. The biggest fucking Mexican I've ever seen in my life. Hombre, gringo. They're always so happy. Real Mexicans from Mexico are brown, like dark brown. You know. And they drive little pickup trucks. They're not rolling up to 7-Eleven, you know, in a Cadillac Escalade with rims. Thumping, you know, hip-hop music with a Mexican flair to it. It's like it's still hip-hop. It's not the, you know, trumpets and shit, you know. Oh, that's, yeah, so they're listening to... It's so festive. And then the other guy, you know, rolls up, you know, sporting the, yeah. So he's wearing jeans, cowboy boots, and a button-up shirt and a cowboy hat, and the other guy's wearing kicks, and, I don't know, black jeans, saggy jeans, sagging, with some sort of jersey over, you know, just a t-shirt. It's got silver chains, 2 or 3 sunglasses. And he's thumping, you know. But you can tell, you know what I'm talking about? It's okay to talk about it. It doesn't make you Ruriayakist. It's like, yeah, you know, a guy put tinted windows, you know, limo tint. It's still, you know, like that. You know, but it's, you can tell, you know, it's got like a little bit of, it's like, that's Latino rap. That's Latino hip hop. That's not, you know, brother hip hop. So. Hang on. If you rolled up to a parking lot and there was 2 food trucks selling barbecue, and one of them was run by white guys and the other one was run by black guys, which one would you go to? I'd go to the black guys. I'm like, you brothers make the best damn barbecue. Actually, there was this guy down in Houston, or Houston as I called it. His name was Joe, and he was American. And, yeah, his name was Joe, Mexican Joe. It wasn't Juan or Lupe. And, holy fuck. That's the best barbecue I've ever eaten in my life. It really and truly is. It tasted like smoke. And you could get chicken, sausage, brisket. They actually had a steak one time. It was a T-bone steak, only barbecue. Fuck. And he'd throw in a piece of bread, which is ghetto. Instead of buying rolls, he'd just give you a piece of bread. This is some authentic barbecue shit, man. But, and it just sort of kind of depends. Sometimes he'd give you a side of like chips. Other times it was fries. Other times it was like beans, and it just sort of. Sometimes he'd have like a slice of like cheesecake bread. It wasn't cheesecake, you know, like the creamy kind, you know, but it was like cheesecake bread. Oh, it was fucking good, man. So. Anyway. And there's this other dude in Portland, I forget where. He's a white guy, but his wife is from Taiwan or Thailand or whatever. Ooh, Lord have mercy, that's some good shit. I would always get 2 dishes, and one of them that I'd get like different stuff, but the one that I always got the same, it was crispy pork and like rice or some shit, okay? Let me say that for you one more time. Crispy pork. You had me at crispy pork. And then you had me again at crispy pork. And it was like these little, you know, bite size. Just tender, yet kind of had some crispiness to them. Oh, just glorious. Oh. So, I was always going to take Bunny Humper to the Bunny Humper Inn, but she fucked that all up. Would you like to go to the Bunny Humper Inn? It's called like the Sedgwick Inn or something like that. It's in, North Bend, Washington State. Across from the TA Travel Center. So, she had this dress that looked like the bed sheet. If they still got it, it was like red with like flowers or some shit on it. White flowers. And I was like, the 70s called. They want their couch fabric back. Yeah, she did this video. This was a long time ago, but I remember she was like, this fucking asshole, an Asian dude who doesn't know how to be here, is backing out of parking space. You wait. Her eyes got all big and stuff. You don't fucking go around. And her friends are like, you tell him, girl. Yeah. You rub them cheeks back and forth, that horny boy's dick. You make him come hard. What did I just say? I said all that? Oh, shit. Not supposed to speak the subconscious out loud, eh? Oh, but that was... Yeah, oh. You think that'd be something you'd be into? Like people watching you, you know, panty polish my dick. Like, you go, girl. Yeah, and I'm just like... So, no? I just thought of it. That's not actually a thing. You know, I guess I'd be down with that. Mm-hmm. How many? And they'd have to all be chicks. So how many you want in a room? You know? Go, Katie. Go, Katie. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Back and forth. All around. Work those hips, girl. Woo! You know? Oh, shit. And Fatty McFatfuck absolutely cannot be there. Everybody else can, though. Yeah. Little Miss Molotov cocktail. The broad who just had the baby probably wouldn't be down with that because she's like, oh, I don't feel comfortable. Still wouldn't mind titty fucking her. No, she's probably not cool with that. You know, because she's married and shit. Got a little baby. The dunce? Oh, absolutely. The dunce can be there. Ooh. I'd dick the dunce, too. So, where's Miss Molotov Cocktail from? Is she Mexican? Or is her heritage, Mexico? Or Spain? Or Venezuela? Or anywhere in South America? Or is it like the Middle East somewhere? She sounds more, I guess. But does she speak a foreign language? I have no idea what you just said. Little Miss Spicy Girl. I know you're thinking, are you talking sexy about all my friends? Yeah. Yeah, they're all pretty good looking, just actually. So that'd be kind of like good for me because there's a bunch of... And again, I just made this up right now, but sounds like a new thing. I think I'll go with it. A bunch of attractive women watching you, the prettiest girl in the whole damn world, panty polish my dick, like they're watching a sporting event. And they're like rooting for you, they're like, oh yeah, fucking make that horny boy come, oh yeah. And I'm just like, today was a good day. But anyway, so yeah. She's a good Christian girl. Whoa, yeah. Work those ass cheeks, girl, yeah.